How to connect Steam to Xbox account. First things first is you won't be able to do the whole process if you're gonna be opening up your Steam account or your Steam client. But instead, just simply access your Xbox app account and make sure that you're logged in. And here, what you want to do is just to click on your current Xbox username, and then go into settings. You'll be redirected to your account profile menu. From the account tab, just simply scroll down till you get to linked accounts. So as you can see, you have a lot of options in here, and we can see that Steam is one of them. For you to be able to link it, just simply click on link, and you will be redirected to log in into your Steam account via the web version, or if you have available Steam client on your end. Just simply follow the on-screen prompts and it will automatically be linked by itself. Just simply hit on confirm. And that is how you link your Steam to Xbox account.